Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today is Thursday, May 24th, and today I have another of the Riley Blake Bench Pillow Kit of the Month kits to share with you. So this one has just come in. This is August and it's called Berry Sweet, I believe. Oh, Berry Smart, because we're looking at back to school, I suppose. But around here, it is currently berry season, and we're actually getting to the end of berry season. So if you haven't gotten any fresh strawberries in your local, now is the time. But this is the really great bench pillow that is made from this kit. I love the Riley Blake kits. I think the boxes are terrific, and the directions are always great. And of course, there's everything that you need in it to make the top and the binding. So you'll have to choose your own backing fabric. This is a 12-month program for Riley Blake Designs, and a couple of the months are already sold out. This is the May bench pillow, and this is the only kit of this one we have left. And then this one is April, and that is the only kit of that one that we have left. Sorry, nope, it's June. I lied. It's June. That's the only one of this kit that we have left. We are all sold out of April and July, and this is August. But you can still pre-order for September, October, November, December, January, February, March. So Susan's going to take you over to look at those, and I will also link to them in today's video so that you can see all of the options. It's a little hard to see there looking through the window, but those are also all available for pre-order now, and then when they come in, we'll make sure you get yours. That's all we have for today. I hope you have a terrific afternoon. Find some time to sew, and we'll see you back here from the shop tomorrow. Bye.